This is for Bolton's young people. It's for the 15 to 24-year-olds who've been told you're not enough. For the NEETs, the care leavers, the young people written off.
It's a lot easier, it's a lot smoother.
And also, just today has been announced the V levels, the V level qualifications. So they've axed a lot of qualifications now, and it's the V levels, vocational. We've been on about this for a while. It's about learning in the workplace, and this is what we've got here, isn't it?
It is. It is about. There's different ways that people take on information. There's different ways that people learn. You know, at the moment now we're in Bolton. We're halfway through our Boss Your Future program, which is the program that we've talked about. It's a program that is going to help young people that have left school or looking to make that transition into some kind of meaningful occupation. So the first cohort has come through. The first 10 people that we've recruited, we're getting some great results with them. We've got some people into college. We've got some people working. We've got some people again setting up businesses, because enterprise is something that we believe in. Enterprise is something we've got experience in. And some people come along with their own ideas, and we're able to support them to actually build on those ideas and actually get those businesses moving. So where we stand now, we're in the middle of our Boss Your Future program in Bolton, and we're now recruiting for the next group of people to come and join us on this program. Now, the opportunities from the first cohort, the opportunities have expanded. You know, we've got even more opportunities for those people at the end of these programs. So if you're one of those people, if you're a young man or woman and you're thinking about what you're going to do with your future, if you're stuck, if you're still considering, if you're in between your school, college, whatever it is, and you're looking for an alternative, then get in touch. Somewhere on or around this video, there'll be a place for you to get in touch, and get in touch with us. If you're in the area of Bolton, you know, reach out to us, and it'd be great to have a conversation.
And businesses can sponsor as well. There's many ways you can get involved in sponsoring. You can even actually, by being part of the sponsorship, you can have your name in lights as well. So, you know, we're looking for sponsors. We're looking for businesses to get involved. We're running our events every month. So there's always going to be our events, which is the £1 car wash. Every month we're running that. Yeah. Get down, support us. You know, we're looking for more businesses to get behind what we're doing. Young people today, you know, there's 46,000 young people in county lines. There's 1 in 5 young people today now who are needing, you know, SEN support. You know, it's rising, and there's 1 million young people who are not in employment, education or training. So we are needed, and we want to work with businesses and want to help you to build your workforce, and you might give them opportunities too.
It's true that, Sam, and it's like, you know, younger people who are falling out of school, we're now set up here now. We can offer an alternative to business to young people. We've got a couple of schools that are looking to send their young people here, because we're.
Shall we show them inside?
Yeah, because we've got the operation. It's ready.
So we're just inside. Do you want to explain the hub then, Mike?
So the operation's ready. We're able now to bring young people here for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days a week, and introduce them to what we're doing. We've got a fully functional car wash here, car wash and valeting. We've also got opportunity for vehicle maintenance, which is another bolt on which we didn't have before. But actually, in this room here is where we'll do some of the training, and then outside where we've just been stood is where we'll do a lot of the car washing, and we've got an area there where we can do valeting. So if you're a school or an alternative provision, and you've got some young people that you're looking for some additional support with, we can help you. This is a place where they will unbelievably flourish. They'll grow here. They'll learn skills that they won't learn elsewhere, and it will make them. It'll give them far more confidence, give them a boost, and they'll be a lot stronger in school because they'll have something else. So that's the provision that we've got. So you could support us in that way. If you've got young people, you could send them down, and then the general public, just come and get your cars washed.
I suppose.
Because every car that gets washed, it gives a young person an opportunity to demonstrate their skills. It gives them something to do.
And it's therapeutic as well. It's a therapeutic. You know, the programs we run are all therapeutic. You know, and we know that a lot of young people, especially from disadvantaged backgrounds, are suffering traumas as well. So our programs help them to you know, having them conversations, getting into therapeutic, you know, car wash. I'm not saying everybody's going to be a car washer, but it's very therapeutic. It's giving them something to do. It's taking their minds off things and getting them more focused. And it's about replacing those bad habits and replacing them with new and positive habits. So it's bye from me. Do you got final words?
Well, final thoughts. It's
Final thoughts?
you know, it's a low barrier to entry. You know, so we came about the car wash idea, one, because we've got experience in it, but two, because it's a low barrier to entry. Most people can do it. Most people can do it. And in terms of the social aspect, you can just come down, watch what other people are doing, get involved at your leisure. And it's one of those things that eventually people's confidence, it starts to build, and then you can start to integrate, you know, at your own speed. So, and we've seen it work. We've seen people come here that don't want to speak to people, don't want to look at people, and it changes, but it changes at their own pace, it changes at their own time, but it does change.
And they are transferable skills for any business as well. What they learn, and you know, they can use them skills for any business. So please get involved, like and subscribe as well to our videos. If you like this content, you want to really support young people, please do so. I really, really appreciate it. What we might.
Yeah, and get in touch with any questions as well.
Yeah.
You know, we do need support. We do need people to maybe sponsor programs, sponsor a young person. Come and get your cars washed. If you've got fleet cars, come and get them washed. Because you're supporting people, you're supporting the community. So come and get involved or get in touch.
It's bye from me.
It's bye from me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.